river, lost the trail in the green. Every step got me deeper in a world no one sees. I was scared of the shadows till the shadows are back. Little eyes in the branches lighting up where it's black. And they don't look like anything I know, but they're smiling, so I let go. Maybe lost is just another way home.
If you've ever tried making a music video for your song with AI, you know the drill. One tool for images, another one to animate them, a third one for lip sync, and then you drag 50 clips into an editor and spend a week trying to stitch everything together. That's the actual problem with creating AI music videos right now. The endless juggling just to get what you need. So today, I'm testing a platform that claims to replace that entire pipeline. It's called OneMoreShot AI, and it runs on an agent-based system. You give it your song, your idea, and your character, and the agent plans and generates the whole music video in one go. Characters, style, story, all locked in from the first frame to the last. So I have this idea for a music video, something like Katy Perry's Roar, but with a twist. This could actually be pretty challenging for an AI tool to pull off, but let's see what happens. Okay, so first, we need a song. I have this track that fits the specific idea I have in mind. An empowering pop anthem with big stomping drums and an uplifting energy. You know the vibe.
Drama map in a river, lost the trail in the green. Every step got me deeper in a world no one sees.
Yes, that sounds terrific. Now, let's go back to the OneMoreShot dashboard and go to Add Song. Now, if you're a Suno user, here's a small thing I really appreciate. You don't have to download your track and then re-upload it here. There's a direct import option for Suno. You can simply copy your Suno song's link, paste it in, and import it directly into OneMoreShot AI. For our project, I'm just gonna upload the audio file of the song I already have. I don't need the full song for this test, so I'm using these trim handles to select the first minute, letting the video progress into the song's energy peak. Next, we have a prompt box where you describe your video, so I'm typing in my whole idea. A cinematic jungle adventure. A young explorer is lost in a misty rainforest, but instead of animals, the jungle is filled with small, friendly pink alien creatures with big black eyes climbing the vines all around her. She starts out lost and eventually ends up finding a home in the wild. Below that, you've got the visual styles. There's anime, Ghibli, even Lego. And honestly, Lego aliens sound awesome. But I'm sticking with realistic visuals because I'm also interested in seeing how the lip syncing holds up. Now, the character. The platform needs a singer reference before it'll generate the video, so let me show you something cool. The AI Artists section. This is where you can build your own custom characters. You can upload photos or simply describe the person you want, and it creates the character for you. But for this project, I already have a specific photo for our character, so I'm just gonna upload that one here. But here's the part that surprised me. You can also add additional character references alongside your main singer. Now, my story does feature these small aliens, but I don't exactly want them singing along, so I'm just gonna go without adding a separate picture for them. 16 by 9. Everything's set. Generate. The agent starts analyzing our request, the concept, and the character, and now it presents us with the mood board. My god, that looks absolutely stunning. What we have here is a full character view sheet. We've got the close-up portrait, a full body image, and a side view as well. And the atmosphere is exactly what I wanted. We even have the little aliens around her. Honestly, 10 out of 10 for capturing the vibe. Alright, let's hit Start Generation. Now, the agent is analyzing the actual structure of the song, where the verses sit, where the chorus explodes, how the emotion builds, so the visuals can follow the music. And here it is, the full video. Not a storyboard, not a preview. The finished thing on the first try. If this is not one click, I don't know what else is. Let's watch.
Drama map in a river, lost the trail in the green. me deeper in a world no one sees. I was scared of the shadows till the shadows look back. Little eyes in the branches lighting up where it's black. And they don't look like anything.
Wow. Earlier on, I said that this would be a pretty challenging concept to pull off, but this is so much better than I expected. The jungle looks genuinely cinematic. Her face stays locked in, shot after shot, from a single reference. Even the aliens actually look like the same creatures throughout the entire video. Same pink color, same big eyes, and the same overall design, consistently scattered through the trees exactly where the wildlife should be. And the cuts are well aligned with the music, so the whole video genuinely feels tailored to our song. But I feel like the real winner here is the smoothness of the movements. The motion looks natural, and more importantly, the movements actually make physical sense from one shot to another. So, is it perfect? No. I feel like the video is a little more saturated with performance and lip sync clips than I was looking for. The lip sync itself is strong in the close-ups, but it starts to lose a little accuracy in some of the mid and wider shots. But here's the thing, you're not stuck with the first output. There's a continue editing button, and this is where it gets really interesting. Inside the editor, the timeline is on the right, and on the left is everything the agent created behind the scenes. Location frames, individual shots, and a full character sheet that it automatically built using the Nano Banana Pro image model, which seems to be the actual secret behind that consistency. That's a step I normally have to do manually on every single project. Here, the agent just did it automatically without me even asking. On the timeline, every clip is editable. I can click on any shot, rewrite the prompt, and regenerate just that specific clip. And inside the model menu, you can choose from some of the big names: Google's VO, Cdance 2.0, Kling, and more. And for those mid-shots where the mouth movement was bugging me, every clip also has its own lip sync toggle. I don't need her to be singing in those wider shots, so let's turn those off. Done. Now let's hit export, and it reassembles everything into the final render.
Drama map in a river, lost the trail in the green. Every step got me deeper in a world no one sees. I was scared of the shadows till the shadows look back. Little eyes in the branches lighting up where it's black. And they don't look like anything I know, but they're smiling, so I let go. Maybe lost is just another way home.
Okay, so yeah, it looks a little better, but the lip sync hasn't been completely removed from the clips where I toggled it off. We can still see a small amount of lip movement there. Somehow though, it doesn't feel as noticeably misaligned as it did in the initial draft. At the end of the day, I'm still very much impressed with the result we got, and you could definitely reach an even better version with some further continued editing. So the bottom line, this replaced what would normally be 4 or 5 separate tools and an entire weekend of stitching clips together, and the output actually held together. The character stayed consistent, the environment stayed consistent, even the alien creatures stayed visually consistent, and most importantly, the video actually followed the shape and energy of the song. It's not flawless. You'll still need to regenerate the occasional shot and manage some of the lip sync yourself. But being able to go from an idea to a finished music video inside one platform in one sitting, that's the part that really matters. The link to OneMoreShot AI is in the description, so give it a shot for your next track. And if you found this video helpful, subscribe for more useful AI tool breakdowns.